Hey beauties, good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. It's really here again in another video, and in today's video, I wanted to show you a sneak peek of what Vicky James Luxury fashion brand looks like. I hope you like this content, and I'm super glad to bring it to you. So, without too much talking, let's get to the honey of this video. Let's go. I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. Wait though, she na this tailor work we dey do together sha. As in, each time I look at this young woman, I always think about it in my mind that is it not this tailor work that we are doing together? Is it not this fashion designing work? What makes this lady so spectacular? And one thing I see is grace, the grace of God upon her life, because she's born again. And then I also see that she's hardworking, determined, and devoted, and she does whatever she feels she can do. She does not limit herself in her mind. In case you don't know who Vicky James is, let me just do a quick introduction. Vicky James is an award-winning fashion designer based in Lagos, Nigeria. She has won many awards and she has done many masterpieces. So I thought to show you what our workspace looks like. Guys, this place speaks luxury. Luxury, neatness, everything that she has done speaks luxury. And you can see a kind of distinct in her brand. I guess she was the first person to incorporate beads into clothes, and it has been, I think, something that has brought out the niche for her, because it's something that is spectacular that nobody has ever done before, and people are now copying right now, and it has been the backbone of her brand. This lady is a very intelligent girl. She's a genius. Permit me to use girl, yeah, we are age mates. She's a very, very intelligent person. She's neat, she's classy, and our workspace, oh my god, is luxurious. One thing I like my followers to understand is that your mind works on what you see constantly. When you constantly see success, you constantly see people doing well in what they do, especially in your field, it works on your mind to think brilliantly. And that is why I'm always bringing content like this to you. You know, the more of what you see helps how you sew your own clothes, and it can also be a kind of driving force for you to also build your own brand to a very good standard. And the more of beautiful fabrics and clothing you see, the more your mind begins to work like in a more dynamic way and in a perfect way. Ever since I've been watching this, just merely watching Vicky James design, working how she incorporates beads in her dresses, how she irons her clothes neatly, how everything is aligned, has helped my brand tremendously, because the way I think is different. So guys, this post is to charge you that no matter what you put your mind to, it is possible. Impossible is nothing. One thing you need to do is to set your focus and work towards it, and you will surely get there. And most importantly, like I always say, make God your standard. Make God your standard. A life without God is empty. A life without God is empty. Make God your backbone. Anyone that has made God his or her backbone is just going to see that everything will just be working out fine, and people will be like, how is she doing it? What is she doing differently? And they will not know that it's that God, the G in your race, that is making everything beautiful. Make God your standard. Work hard. Let's work hard, as in make your designs very neat, make it spectacular. Whatever you are doing, whatever you find yourself doing, make sure that you are doing it well, and you will surely get there. Because James is a role model. Like in this fashion business, she is a role model, no doubt about that. the way she thinks is different. She believes that there is nothing that is not possible. She believes that every curve on a dress brings beauty, and she does not limit herself in her mind. Why? Don't limit yourself in your mind. Don't limit yourself in your mind. Go for what you feel is good. Whatever comes to your mind, make it work out. I am super excited that I could share this with you, and I hope this has inspired you in ways that I cannot imagine. Actually, in ways that I can imagine, or even more. The basis of this post was just to inspire you. Till I see you in my next video. I love you and I care. Bye.